Hello friends, how are you? I hope all are you fine. Today I have two emergency lights. As you can see, new. See, two. The problem with them, they are not charging. We will put on charge, leave them on long time, maybe 1 hour, 2 hour. When we will remove them and switch on, there is no light because they didn't use long time. The problem with them, the batteries are not good. What I will do, I will replace old batteries with new one. See, both of them batteries are not good. So what I will do, I will replace them and I'll show you. Let's start. So friends, this is the old battery, and when you will try at home, please take care. When you remove the battery, don't forget positive and negative. The red side is positive and black side is negative. Be careful please. So this red wire I will put on positive side, that is red. So friends, one emergency light finished, so we will put another. See, so when I'll switch on, there is no light. So this one is the old one, 6-volt battery, and this one is new.
आईटी बैटरी
ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੈਟਰੀ, ਇਹ ਖੱਪਣ ਦੇ
हाँ
ਉਹਦੇ 'ਚ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਉਹ ਬੈਟਰੀ ਲੈਸ।
चांद जोन कोई नहीं
ਉਹ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਾਈਡ,
हाँ
ਉਹ ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਮੈਂ ਬੰਦ ਕਰ ਦਿਆ।
स्पीकर दी की
ਸਪੀਕਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਸਾਈਡ ਹੈ। See friends, so we have replaced the new batteries with the old one. Now it's working. Now what I will do, I will leave them on charging for 2 to 3 hours, because we have replaced the new one. So very important to charge for 2 to 3 hours. Okay, have a good day.